This 5.14 acre lot is located in Whitmore, California, which is in Shasta County. The property has great paved road access from Fern Rd East. And this lot has trees, but clearings as well. Also, utilities are nearby and ready to be installed. So this lot is ready for you to build on or park a mobile home or RV. Just about 18 miles away are the Shasta-Trinity National Forests. Combined, these forests make the largest national forests in California. Being that close by, you'll never run out of activities. This forest offers everything, including hiking, backpacking, mountain climbing, horseback riding, boating, fishing, hunting, sightseeing, downhill skiing, cross-country skiing, and snowmobiling. To the other direction, this lot is located only about 11 miles from Lassen National Forest and Lassen Volcanic National Park as well. Within walking distance from this lot is Reservoir. Here you will find tremendous fishing. This lot would not only make a great primary or vacation residence, but also a great investment. For more information, please call or text 312-508-0774 or email d_ader7@live.com.